Today's class is going on now. That is some more problems based on sum to infinity of the series from the topic sequences and series. Problem 1. If the sum to infinity of the series one plus 4x plus 7x square plus 10x cube plus and so on is 35 by 16. Then find x. If the sum to infinity of the series 1 plus 4x plus 7x square plus 10x cube plus and so on is 35 by 16. Then find x. That means here we are given the infinite series. Infinite sum to infinite series is given here in this. The sum to infinite series is 1 plus 4x plus 7x square plus 10x plus and so on up to n terms is 35 by 16. Now we have to find the value of x. Whatever the given in the series, we have to find the value of x. So that is going on now. Solution. Solution as follows. Now let sum to infinity s infinity is equal to 1 plus 4x plus 7x square plus 10x cube plus and so on up to infinity. This indicates first one. Now multiplying one by x on both sides, we get x into s infinity is equal to x of 1 plus 4x plus 7x square plus 10x cube plus and so on up to infinity. That is equal to m plus x into s infinity is equal to, after multiplying this we have x into 1 x plus x into 4x square plus x into 7x cube plus x into 10x cube 10x to the power of 4 plus and so on up to infinity. This indicates second one. Now 1 minus subtract into from first one, subtracting this 2 from first one, that is going on. S infinity is equal to 1 plus 4x plus 7x square plus 10x cube plus and so on and so on and so on up to infinity. And from 2, this one, x into s infinity is equal to x plus 4x square plus 7x cube plus 10 into x to the power of 4 plus and so on up to infinity. Now we are subtracting 2 from first equation, first one. When we subtract these algebraic signs can change. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So here plus becomes minus, 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 and so on up to n terms. S infinity is equal to 1 plus 4x plus 7x square plus 10x cube plus and so on up to infinity. And one more is x into s infinity is equal to x plus 4x square plus 7x cube plus 10x to the power of 4 plus and so on up to infinity. So here plus becomes minus, here plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Why? Because we are subtracting these two. 1 and 2 we are subtracting. So it becomes s infinity minus x into s infinity is equal to, here the constant term is there, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus x plus 4x, 4x minus x becomes plus 3x. Here plus 7x square minus 4x square, it becomes plus 3x square. Here plus 10x cube minus 7x cube, it becomes plus 3x cube. Plus and so on up to infinity. S infinity minus x infinity is equal to 1 plus 3x square plus 3x cube plus 3x to the power of 4 plus 3x to the power of 5 plus and so on up to infinity. Implies here s infinity is the common to these two terms, s infinity minus x infinity. It becomes 1 minus x into s infinity is equal to 1 plus, here 3 is the common factor here for all these terms. So 3 of x plus x square plus x cube plus and so on up to infinity. This is equal to 1 plus 3 of x plus x square plus x cube plus and so on up to infinity. So it seems to be the infinite up to infinity. That means here sum to infinity. This is sum to infinity. We have the sum to infinity formula is there. That is, since we have sum to infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r. A by 1 minus r. Here 3 of x plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power 4 and so on. Here in this, the first term a is equal to t1 is equal to x. And common ratio of these terms is x. Why? Because x square by x, x cube by x square, x to the power of 4 by x cube and so on and so on. We got the common ratio of this series is x. So it becomes, in place of s infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r, a is equal to x, first term is x, by 1 minus common ratio is also x, common ratio is also x here. M plus 1 minus x into s infinity is equal to, it becomes LCM here 1 by 1, here 3 into x by 1 minus x. LCM of these two factors is 1 minus x. So it becomes 1 into 1 minus x, 1 minus x plus 3x by 1 minus x. This is equal to 1 minus x plus 3x. Subtract x from 3x. It becomes 1 plus 2x by 1 minus x. M plus 1 minus x into s infinity is equal to 1 plus 2x by 1 minus x. So here now we need only s infinity. S infinity is equal to 1 plus 2x by 1 minus x square. M plus s infinity is equal to 1 plus 2x by 1 minus x square. When we send it 1 minus x to the right hand side, that means transposing 1 minus x to right hand side, it becomes division. So 1 minus x whole square. According to the problem, we are given sum to infinity terms is 35 by 10. That is Sn is equal to 35 by 10. So 1 plus 2x by 1 minus x whole square is equal to 35 by 16. Since sum to infinity terms is equal to 35 by 16. M plus, on cross multiplication, it becomes 16 of 1 plus 2x is equal to 35 of 1 minus x whole square. It becomes 16 into 1, 16 plus 16 2 is 32, 32x is equal to 35 of 1 minus x square, means here it seems to be a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 1 minus x square, 1 minus x whole square becomes 1 plus x square minus 2x. M plus 16 plus 32x is equal to 35 into 1 35 plus 35 into x square minus 35 into 2 70 minus 70x m plus 35x square minus 70x plus 35 minus 32x minus 16 is equal to 0. Transposing 16 plus 32x to on right hand side, it becomes minus 32x minus 16. So entire this is 35x square minus 70x plus 35 minus 32x minus 16 is equal to 0. M plus 35x square minus 102x plus 19 is equal to 0. Minus 70x minus 32x becomes minus 102x plus 35 minus 16 becomes 19. So 35x square minus 102x plus 19 is equal to 0. It seems to be a quadratic equation, quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So to find the factors of quadratic equation, there two methods is there. To find the x value on factorization, one method, and one more is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So on factorization we got this one, 17x minus 19, 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. M plus 7x minus 19 is equal to 0, or 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. M plus x is equal to 7x minus 19 is equal to 0, x is equal to 19 by 7. So actually x is equal to 19 by 7. Since for infinite series the common ratio lies between minus 1 is less than x is less than 1 plus 1. So according to this, here x does not is equal to minus 19 by 7, which is not possible. X does not equal to 19 by 7, which is not possible. One more is there, or 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now one more factor is 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. 5x is equal to plus 1. So here x is equal to m plus x is equal to 1 by 5. X is equal to 1 by 5. So here when you divide this one by 5, it becomes less than minus 1 less than x is less than 1. The value of this x is lies in between minus 1 and plus 1. So minus 1 is less than, x is less than 1. So this is possible here. X is equal to 1 by 5 is possible. So this is the required answer. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 5. This is the value of the x. Now problem 2. Find the sum to n terms of 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus and so on terms. Find the sum to n terms of 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus and so on up to n terms. So we have to find the sum to n terms of this series that is going on now. Solution. Given series is Sn is equal to sum to n terms is equal to 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus and so on up to n terms. Sn is equal to 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus and so on up to n terms. This is equal to Sn is equal to, therefore Sn is equal to, now we are taking 7 as common factor for this. 7 into 1 7 plus 7 into 11 11 7 is 77 plus 111 7 is 777 7 1 is 7 plus 11 7 is 77 111 7 is 777 plus and so on up to n terms. It indicates first one. Now multiplying and dividing one by 9. Plus Sn is equal to 7 into 9 by 9 of 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus and so on up to n terms. Now 7 into 9 by 9. So here now multiplying with 9 all this series. 7 by 9 of 9 1 ja 9 plus 9 11 ja 99 plus 9 109 9 into 111 999 plus and so on to up to n terms. So 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus and so on terms. In this 9 can be written as 10 minus 1 and 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 and 999 can be written as 1000 minus 999. 1000 minus 999. So 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1. 1000 minus 1. 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. 9 can be written as 10 minus 1 plus and so on up to n terms. 7 by 9 of 10 minus 1 plus 100 minus 1 plus 1000 minus 1 plus and so on up to n terms. Now it can be written as 7 by 9 of here 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus and so on up to n terms. And minus 1 plus 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 minus 1 up to n terms. So we can write the separately this one now that is going on 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus and so on up to n terms. Minus of 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on up to n terms. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on up to n terms. So here 7 by 9 of 10 plus 100 becomes 10 square. 10 square is equal to 10 into 10. 10 10 ja 100. So 10 square plus 1000. 1000 means 10 cube. 10 10 ja 100. 100 10 ja 1000. So 10 cube plus and so on up to n terms. Minus of 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to n terms. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to n terms is already known by us that is n. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on and so on and so on up to n terms is n. Here it seems to be 7 by 9 of 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus and so on up to n terms minus n. It seems to be geometric progression. The common ratio of these all terms is 10. 10 square by 10, 100 by 10, 10. 1000 by 100 is equal to 10 and so on up to n terms. So here the first term A is equal to 10 and common ratio R is equal to 10 square by 10, T2 by 10, T2 by 10. First term, second term, third term and so on up to n terms. This 10 square is second term and 10 is the first term. So T2 by T1 here. Common ratio is equal to Tn by Tn minus 1. So here 10 square by 10. After cancelling this 10 1 ja 10, 10 10 ja. So that becomes 10. So therefore the common ratio is 10. Here 10 means here greater than 1. Common ratio R is equal to 10 greater than 1. That means here 10 is the number greater than 1. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on up to 10. So based on this condition, common ratio condition, we have to use the sum to n terms of the geometric progression formula that is going on now. Therefore, that is equal to 7 by 9 of A of R to the power of n minus 1 by R minus 1. When common ratio is greater than 1, this formula is applicable here. A of R to the power of n minus 1 by R minus 1. R minus 1 minus n minus n here, minus n as it is. So now we are substituting the values of first term A value and common ratio R is equal to 10. 7 by 9 of first term A value is 10. 10 of 10 to the power of n. Common ratio is 10. Minus 1 by 10 minus 1 minus n. On simplification, that is equal to 7 by 9 of 10 of 10 to the power of n minus 1 by 9. 10 minus 1, 9 minus n. That is equal to here 7 by 9 of 10 to the power of 10 into 10 to the power of n minus 1. In this, after simplification, 7 by 7 of 10. 7 of 10 means here 7 10 ja 70. 70 of 10 to the power of n minus 1 by 9 9 ja 81. 9 9 ja 81 minus 7 by 9 into n. So that means here 7n by 9. Therefore, sum to n terms of first one is 70 by 81 of 10 to the power of n minus 1 minus 7 by 9 into n. This is the required answer. Now just we have found the sum to n terms of the given series 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus and so on up to n terms is this one. The answer is this one, 70 by 81 of 10 to the power of n minus 1 minus 7 by 9 n. With this sequences and series topic is over now. Tomorrow onwards new topic is going on.